Hi, let's unbox my new tea shipment. So I ordered these teas not just for idle, mindless drinking, but to be used for seasonal ritual. Each one of these teas will be used for my monthly event, Community Reiki Circle. The thing is, I drink tea at, I think these are samples. I drink tea at the beginning of every single circle, and I thought to myself, wouldn't it be nice if you could too? And we could all be drinking the same tea. So each of these teas is paired with each of the seasonal rituals. So the one that's coming up on the 15th of this month, August, is called Replenish. And if you order these in boxes soon for your ritual kit, you could actually do the ritual along with me. So while it is fun to just kick back and receive, and I totally encourage that, a tea is a really nice way to create a transition between the activity that you were doing, set an intention, and then proceed mindfully with the activity that we are doing. And each of them relates with the theme. So, shall we see what we have? This first one is a white chocolate peppermint herbal tea. And you will have to let me know which of these is your favorite. I did get limited supplies, only maybe 2 to 6 of each of these. So these are still the white chocolates. Better move my knife out of the way here. Oh, okay, so this is the one for Replenish. I might have even ordered 2 for Replenish. This is peach tea. So it is green rubios, pineapple pieces, rose hips, chamomile, calendula, apple, peach, lemon verbena, and blue cornflower. Everything in these teas is completely all natural, no additives, no sugars, no sweeteners, no funky stuff, just real, authentic things that come from the earth. So the peach tea is really wonderful because it is peach season. We are talking about replenishing, and peaches are juicy, they are restoring to us, and so is drinking tea. So let's see what else we have. A few of the peaches here. Oh, this one really captivated my attention. It's called Soul Warmer. It is rubios, apple, cocoa nibs, orange peel, chestnut, hazelnut, and caramel. So let's keep digging in here. Now we have spicy caramel apple herbal. Love it. Are you into more like peach or apple? I feel like apple is a little bit more September vibes, peach is more August vibes, you know, white chocolate is getting into more like December. Now I can't remember exactly which one. These are the soul warmers. I see I got a few extra of those. I'm guessing these are winter. I did not make a cheat sheet for which goes to which. Oh, but gratitude blend, I can tell you that will be for November because it's right before Thanksgiving, and I thought it would be nice for us all to be able to share some thanks in the things that we are celebrating moving into the holidays. So gratitude is a black tea, orange, strawberry, raspberry, bergamot, and strawberry. Nice and light, a little floral. Let me dig around here. This is just so exciting. I love tea so much. I actually gave up drinking coffee about 4 months ago, and while I do drink tea every morning to get my engine started, I am using this tea for an evening transition. And the community Reiki circles are at 7 p.m. always on the 15th of each month. And so I wanted this to be able to help you transition from busyness into receive mode. So here we have autumn vibes, and one I'm also excited about, Cuddle Time. This might be a January. I mean, you can get any of these teas anytime. I just put them all into the different collections that are associated with the rituals so that the themes go together. They all have crystal, candle, bath salts in them, but they're all wrapping around the theme. So Cuddle Time is chamomile, peppermint, and vanilla. Yum! So you can see how these teas are helping us to invoke a feeling, a scent. Maybe you're looking at what the tea actually looks like, and getting into the senses brings you into the present moment, which is further helping to regulate your nervous system. So we have Cuddle Time. Let me just see if there's anything else in here. All in black. That's everything. Thank you so much. Again, if you order your ritual kits before August 15th, you can do this ritual alongside of me. If you are getting this afterwards, there is always a video in the Reiki Meditation Library, which comes complimentary with your pass, or you can just have a library subscription and get these wonderful crystal tea Reiki meditations for your use at any time. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you soon. Shall we go ahead and see what's in the sample boxes? Just for fun. Oh my God, I forgot. I ordered multiple, stick with me here, tea strainers. Because this is a loose leaf tea, I wanted everyone to be able to have a tea ball, and this one is a really cute heart shape, which I love, and of course, perfect for February event. But you know, we could all use a little heart all times of the year. So I have 6 of these. Let's see. Oh my God, I can't believe I forgot that I ordered these. It's so exciting. Yes, okay. So these are the Victorian strainers, and if you know me on a personal level, you know that I love Victorian stuff and getting dressed up. You can see some really nice detail work here. You just put your tea in, plop it in the cup. This sits on the side, and let it steep. Take it out and drink. This can be part of the ritual too. One more. Oh, so these are little dishes to put your cup in afterwards, so you're not making a mess. See you soon.